So the Bajaj Boxer is one of the most powerful bike and one of the most used bike, especially in the northern part of Nigeria. If you go to states like Benue, they can use this bike to carry a very heavy load. Once they remove that seat or more, that the bike has turned to Diana. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the specifications, the different variants, and the price of the Bajaj Boxer in Nigeria, including the Bajaj Boxer ES, the KS, and the 125H in 2026. So let's start with the Bajaj Boxer 100 KS. The Bajaj 100 KS is powered by a 4-stroke naturally cooled engine that delivers 8.2 PS at 7,500 revolution per minute and maximum torque output of 8.05 Newton meter of torque at 4,500 revolution per minute. And this engine is a 100cc, 99.27cc, that's approximately 100cc engine. The front features a 110mm drum brakes, while the rear features a 130mm drum brakes. And all grades are equipped with 17 inches spoke wheels. All grades also comes with a 9.3 liters fuel tank and a cab weight of 109 kg. Coming over to the dimension, it measures 1970mm in length, 770mm in width, and height of 1065mm with a wheelbase of 1235mm. The bike also comes standard with 12 volts battery and a 35-watt halogen lamp. This one, just like the KS, means kickstart. It doesn't come with an option of electric start. Then let's talk about the 100 ES. Then after the 100 ES, we talk about the 125H. Then wrap it up with the price. The Bajaj Boxer 100 ES does not just add the electric start option. It also adds more power, thanks to its displacement that has been moved from 99.27 on the KS to 102cc. And this one is powered by the 4-stroke single-cylinder naturally cooled engine that delivers 7.7 PS at 7,500 revolution per minute and 8.24 Newton meter of torque at 5,500 revolution per minute. The front features a 110mm drum brake, while the rear also features a 130mm drum brake. This is also the same thing as on the 100 KS. All grades are equipped with 17 inches wheels. The ES comes with a 10.5 liters fuel tank and a cab weight of 111 kg. Coming over to the dimension, it measures 1975mm in length, 752mm in width, and 1074mm in height. All grades also equipped with 35-watt halogen lamp and a 12 volts battery. So let's talk about the top of the range 125HD. The Bajaj Boxer 125HD is the most powerful in the lineup, thanks to its 124.45cc engine. This bike is powered by a 4-stroke air-cooled single-cylinder SOH single-plug engine that delivers 10 PS at 7,500 revolution per minute and the maximum torque output of 10.49 Newton meter at 5,500 revolution per minute. The 125HD is equipped with 17 inches wheels. It also comes standard with 11 liters of fuel tank and 120 kg of cab weight. Coming over to the dimensions, the bike measures 2016mm in length, 740mm in width, and the height of 1134 with a wheelbase of 1285mm. At the front of the bike is a hydraulic suspension system, while the rear features a SNS suspension system. Coming over to the price, the price of the Bajaj Boxer 100 in Nigeria in 2026 starts at 1.1 million, that is 1,100,000, and goes up to 1,250,000 naira depending on the grade you are picking, while the Bajaj Boxer 125HD in Nigeria in 2026 starts at 1,400,000 and goes up to 1,500,000 depending on the grade and where you are picking it from. So what do you think about the Bajaj Boxer? Have you used this bike before? Drop your results in the comment. Also, if you need this bike, please do want to reach out to Alpha Loss on 09043237566 for claim bikes at affordable rate. Please, before you go, do like and subscribe because we got so much more videos coming your way. Thank you.